Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel, where today is Trinity Prep Author Festival, and I am very nervous. And the thing is, it's okay to be nervous. It's okay to get jitters before big events, before conferences, to feel overwhelmed. The important thing is that you still do these things, that you put yourself out there, that you allow yourself to get in situations where maybe you are feeling a little anxious. But when you are feeling anxious, make sure to reach out to people, lean on your community, get that support from friends, family. I have sent multiple messages out last night and today being like, hey, I have imposter syndrome, help. And I've leaned on friends who were willing to have the time to give me a pep talk to tell me that today was gonna be awesome. And I know today's gonna be awesome. Nerves are normal, but if you don't put yourself out there, allow yourself to get nervous, allow yourself to accept being nervous, and that sometimes it's just a part of the process, you won't have the experience of meeting readers and speaking to other authors and making friends and all of the things that come along with doing conferences and festivals. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm gonna double check my bag of books and goodies a million times over, and then Raquel and I are gonna head out. So I hope that maybe I saw you guys there, and you'll be seeing this some Monday in the future. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and to lean on your community, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.